guys, this come off in the state. It's a gas engine, 4-wheel drive. It's 2005 model, no title. It's got a manual tilt bed on it. Right here. The bed inside's 3 foot by 54 inches wide. That's inside measurements. Got a liner in it, looks like. These doors will come off if you want. Just pick them up, take them off. It's camouflage. No power steering. Yeah, the 700 electric fuel injection. It's got a hitch on the front and rear. Lights is working on it. It's got a high and low speed on it. This thing's got all the lights on it, guys.